She in the back, she in a Birkin. Always in the feelings attitude, but she still fade. We ain't missing us for certain. Spin the block, run in your mouth, we close your curtains. That ass shaking when she working. Stomach flat, ass so fat, just watch me work it. Mop 'em up, chopper sweeping like a broom.
What's up, guys? It's Stream B number Zach with another video today. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this quick and easy DIY Valentine's Day scrub. Keep on watching. So jumping right into it, guys, we have our two bowls here. One bowl with the 1 cup of white granulated sugar and another bowl with half cup of brown sugar and half cup of the white granulated sugar. So we're just going to take our coconut oil here. You can use any oils of your choice as always, and just pour it into the sugar and just begin to mix it up. I like to pour the sugar little by little just to ensure that I don't make the scrub too oily and I get the consistency that I want. So then I go in with my almond oil, sweet almond oil, and we are just going to focus on the white sugar scrub for right now. So we're just going to add about 2 tablespoons in there and mix it up well. Okay, so then we're just going to add 2 tablespoons of the jojoba oil. I am using the cap because I measured it out and it equals to a tablespoon anyway. So then we are just going to mix this all up. Make sure you have no clumps in your scrub. And then we are just going to go in with our vegetable glycerin. We are going to add this to the scrub because vegetable glycerin acts as a natural moisturizer. So that is great to put in the scrubs. And we are just going to do the same thing here. Add about 2 tablespoons to your scrub and mix up again. So now we're just going to go in with a few squirts of this vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is a great antioxidant for your skin. It helps nourish and protect your skin from any damage. And it also helps to strengthen your skin barrier function. So we're just going to put that in there and give it a good mix once again. A lot of mixing involved in here. Yes, I know. So this is the kind of consistency you want your scrub to be. You want it to be kind of like a snowy, fluffy consistency. So now that we have that, we're just going to go in with some pink mica powder because I am going to flavor this with some strawberry flavoring. So I decided to do the pink. And a little goes a long way, guys, so you do not need a lot of this mica powder. And we're just going to mix until all the color is mixed into the scrub and until you get the desired color that you want. So I ended up needing a little more because it was still pretty white and I wanted it to be a really vibrant pinkish color. So I decided to add a little more. And I'm just going to continue to mix this in. And I'm just going to fast forward this part for you guys. So then I just added some castor oil to my scrub. I love the texture that it gives the scrub, and it is also an amazing moisturizer for your skin as well. So I just added some of that in there and mixed it up. Okay, so now this is how my scrub is looking. This is the consistency that I like to have my scrub. If you want your scrub a little more runny or softer, you can always add more oils. But okay, so now I'm gonna go in with some strawberry essential oil, and this stuff smells so delicious. Add a few drops of that and just make sure it's all mixed up throughout the scrub. So we are going to set that aside and start now on our chocolate part of the scrub. We are going to follow the same steps we did as with the other scrub. We are going to add all of our oils. And just remember, we already added the coconut oil in the scrub in the beginning. So I'm just going to add the 2 tablespoons of the almond oil and the 2 tablespoons of the jojoba oil and my vegetable glycerin and a few drops of the vitamin E, and I'm just going to mix that all together. So as you can see, the scrub still looks a little dry, but I'm going to go ahead and finish adding in my dry ingredients. So the first thing I'm going to add is this cocoa powder. If you did not know, cocoa powder is great for your skin. It increases the elasticity and helps soften and clear your skin. So then I'm going to go in with my coffee grounds. There's just something about when you mix coffee and chocolate together, that aroma, oh my gosh, it is to die for. And coffee is also an antioxidant and helps with cellulite and helps promote smoother and brighter looking skin. So we are going to add all of that and just continue to just mix it up very well and make sure there are no clumps in the scrub, as you see me doing here. And now I'm going to just continue to add my wet ingredients. I added some more cocoa oil, and I'm just going to mix that in as well. So this is how the scrub is looking, and oh my god, it smells amazing. It smells just like a chocolate bar. But okay, so now we have our 2 parts of the scrub. And for the people who've been asking me if you can add a preservative, you most certainly can. This is the preservative that I use, and this one you use at 2% of your product weight. So you would just figure that out depending on what your product weight is. I usually add 4.5 grams for this 8-ounce scrub. So now that we got that covered, now it's time to package the scrub up. And I'm just going to do layer by layer, starting with the chocolate and then adding some strawberry on top. And you just want to have a decent amount in each layer. So this is how the scrub turned out. I think it looks great and it smells even better. It is a great scrub to just exfoliate and moisturize your skin. And if you're going to sell the scrub, you are just going to need to clean it up, put the top on, and slap your label on there. And there you have it. Your chocolate dipped strawberry scrub makes for the perfect Valentine's Day gift. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next video.
She in the back, she in a Birkin. Always in the feelings attitude, but she still fade. We ain't missing us for certain. Spin the